Welcome back to another episode of Gurukul Online Learning Sitar lessons. I'm Nishit Dey. We have already begun our lessons on more of music and less of technique. So far, whatever we have learned, we are going to still continue those practices as our basic everyday toning, characterizing, whatever. But all these practices are extremely necessary to keep in shape and for further development. Having that said, one of the most important things in Gaikiyang Sitar or vocalization of Sitar is, first and foremost, you have to listen to more people like Ustad Vilayat Khan, Pandit Budhaito Mukherjee, even people who are not from Imdad Khani Gharana but still play a bit of Gaikiyang. For example, Pandit Nikhil Banerjee, Pandit Kushal Das, Purban Chatterjee, they're all amazing musicians. One thing you're going to notice every time you listen to them is Meer, the concept of Meer. So we've already kind of touched the concept of Meer before in one of these videos, but it was limited to one Parda Meend. So what is one Parda Meend? What is, or one fret Meend or two fret Meend? So for a quick example, if I place my hand on Ga and I say I am going to have to take one fret Meend from Ga, it's going to be Ga Ma. So you're placing your hand on Ga and then moving to Ma. So if I say two fret Meend or two Parda Meend, so Ga Ma Pa, because you're covering two notes. So the practice from now on is going to be developing your middle finger. The index finger has already been developed if you have done everything according to what we said, and now it's time that you run after your middle finger. So what we are going to do is we are going to firstly ensure the sitar is in pitch perfect tune, as good as you can tune right now. Also, I could recommend that you use a tanpura while for this practice. So the idea is that you have to have achieved the ability to take at least 3 or 2 or 3 Parda Meends from every fret that we have. That is going to give you a better idea and better understanding of and better expression ability for Gaikiyang. So starting from Dha, what we are going to do is we are going to do this first, a chikari and then the jor string, just to get the tanpura effect started. So you have a reference, a solid reference of whether you are in tune or not. And then Dha, Ni, Sa. Of course, you can do it much slower and make sure that all the notes are in pitch perfect order. And then moving on to Ni, Sa, Re. You can take a reference verse if you want. And then Sa, Re, Ga. Re, Ga, Ma. Tivra Ma this time. Ga, Ma, Pa. It's very important that even though this finger position might be much more comfortable, but it's very important that every time we are going to play a new rag and practice on it, only keep your hands on the fret that you're going to use. So for example, this is Komal Ga fret and Imon doesn't have a Komal Ga. So we're not going to keep our fingers over here. We're going to keep it on Re and Ga while we pull on Ga. So and then Ma, Pa, Da. And then Pa, Da, Ni. Da, Ni, Sa. This is very important for e-memorization. Ni, ni, sa, re. And finally, sa, re, ga. Sa, re, ga. And return. This practice is going to be extremely crucial for the days to come. So I highly recommend that you do it very, very carefully. And also, if you have any problems regarding the line of your middle finger or any kind of pain or any kind of problems, do get back to us on the email address shown here somewhere. Take care. Until next class. Thank you.